Hi everyone, welcome again to Mask YouTube channel. This is Muhammad Salim Kasmani. Today I am going to unbox a tripod holder. This is what I purchased from Amazon for around $9. And tripod holder, I have a tripod already, and with this tripod I received a holder, but the quality of holder was very cheap, spring type, and it spoils our mobile also. The edges and the buttons, they are pressed very hard. And second problem was, when you have a little big width, it's very hard to tight it or to fix it. For that purpose I purchased a new holder. So let's unbox this one. It comes in the plastic, and here is the mobile holder. The good part of this holder, first of all, it is 360, and secondly it has two side screw, one here and other at this side, and third, it is not spring. There is no spring in this. You can adjust it according to your mobile. This can go up to the 4-inch width. That's a good thing. The 4-inch width is enough. Normally people are using the mobile up to 3-inch, 3.5-inch width, not 4-inch. It's too big. So let's fix it and let's see how it works. So I'm fixing it here. My tripod is here. Fix it in my tripod. Very simple it is, but quality is very nice. The material is plastic, but good quality. Okay, by the time I fix it, I want to remind you, please, if you like my video, give me thumbs up, and do not forget to share my video with others. As much as you can, you share it, please, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button for further notification. And now it is already fixed. I'll fix another mobile. Okay, I'll fix this mobile. Now the width is little big. So what I will do is I'll open it, the screw, no need to stretch it or this and that. According to our adjustment, we can open the screw and we can fix it. Here it is. So it's very simple. As I told you, now it is in horizontal position. Okay, now if I want to make it vertical, I can make it vertical also and horizontal also, as you want. Depend. I'll screw it, I'll make it. So that's what I want to say. This holder is very good quality. It can accept up to 4-inch mobile, and it is 360 degree. The plastic is very good, durable, and the cost is approximate $9. This is what I purchased through Amazon. This is the company. Ulanzi it is. Ulanzi. So thank you guys. If you really like it, give me thumbs up. Don't forget to share it. Be safe, be at home, and remember, subscribe my channel, hit the bell button for notification. Bye bye. See you.